Looking for a place in Shillong that's safe, modern, and feels like home?
Say no more. We got you.
Welcome to Onella Girls Hostel, located in Mawlai Mawroh near SBI ATM. Just look at this place. Spacious room, common areas, and 24/7 CCTV surveillance for ultimate safety. Your peace of mind is our priority.
You get everything you need. Nutritious meals, super fast Wi-Fi, daily housekeeping and laundry.
Two-wheeler parking sorted, and with women-centric safety features like secure premises, CCTV and on-site staff, you can focus on your goals.
Whether you're a student intern or just moving to Shillong and you're looking for a peace of mind,
Onella Girls Hostel.
Your new home away from home.